Hi, in this short video, I will talk about Python image processing using the cImage module. The book's active code has an image module which provides basic image processing to manipulate images. The active code uses something called cImage module. See the instruction how to install the cImage module in the course shell. The Python standard image module is Pillow, but we will not use Pillow. It's very complicated and it has a lot of feature, but we want doing something simple. So for simplicity, we will use cImage module, and without Pillow, cImage module can only handle GIF file, which is fine. There are two classes in cImage module. They are image and pixel. The pixel object manipulate pixel. It has three attributes: red, green, and blue. It also has three getter and three setter methods: get red, get green, and get blue, set red, set green, and set blue. And this will be get used to manipulate a particular pixel color. So to here's a simple example how to create an image. To create an image, I will use the image.pixel method to create a new image with R, G, B color in this order. Notice that I use the import statement, import cImage as image. Why? Because by doing so, it will make the code that I show here look just like the code you see in the ebook. And I can use get red to get the color, the pixel color, the red color. I can set red to whatever value I want between 0 and 255. I can call get um, set blue and get green. So let's see how this works. And I already set this to debug, so let's debug this. And go to console. The get red, it will be 45 because again, RGB value, those three number. And I set red to 66. And now when I do get red, it's 66. I set the blue with the green color. The green color is 76. So I set the blue with the green. That means when I print get green and get blue, they both show 76. Image objects, you need to open the file in order to manipulate the image. So the three, using the image.image, I can open the file, in this case the GIF file. I can use image.emptyImage to create and return the empty image object with width and height. I can also create an image win. It basically you create a window frame to display one or more images. You set the frame with the title, width, and height in that order. And the pixel object have a getter method called getPixel that you can get the pixel at a particular column and row. The pixel object have a setter method that you can get a pixel at particular column, row, and set that to your new pixel value. Get width, get height and get width to get the image height and image width. You can save the file, but I'm not doing that just because I don't want to change my image. Also, you can have the exit on click, very similar to the turtle, where you can click on the image and the picture will it will terminate the program after you click on the image. And basically, the get pixel and the set pixel pay attention that it's a column and width order, not row and column order. And we can get a information from the pixel. So let's look at a program I set up. I can, for example, run this. You can see the Luther.gif has 40 is a 400 by 244 pixel. and the color at column 45, row 55 is red is 154, green is 170, and blue is 153. What color is that? I'm not really sure. I guess it's some combination of the red, green, and blue because all these values, but we'll see when we look at the picture. So how do I draw a picture? To draw a picture, I open the image, I create a window, image frame, and then I draw the image on the window frame. All right, this image came from the file image, and then I draw using the window frame. The window exit on click is hold the screen until you click on the image. So let me show you what that look like. And here is a loser.gif. The original, here's the title, the picture, the width and height of the the GIF file. If I click on this image, the program terminates. And to manipulate the image, we will use nested loop. For every row in the image, and then we process every column in that row. And usually we get one image at that location and change the property of that pixel and then set the pixel to the new properties. Okay, and here I open the image like you seen earlier. I create two window frames because I'm going to draw the two image window because I'm going to draw two different image, and I would first I draw the original, and this code here, everyone, the for loop, this is the way to manipulate the picture, the image. For every pixel in column and row, the nested loop gonna loop over every pixel. I get the pixel, then I change the pixel property, new red, new green, new blue. In this example, I'm doing negative, like a film negative. So I'm using the complement of the color. 255 minus red, 255 minus the green, 255 minus the blue. It will give the complement of the color. And then I create a new pixel using the new red, new green, and new blue. I create a new pixel, and then I set the pixel at the location that I'm working on with the new pixel color. I keep doing this for every pixel in that image. We call the pixel is 400 by 244. So that would be like 900,000 pixels. 890 pixels. And the color and the image will look something like this. The original and the negative. The negative is kind of like the film negative. Now, let's go one step further. Usually, we do not want to change the original image. So we can create a new empty image with the same image size and create a new pixel and update the pixel with the updated pixel and set the pixel. We repeat for all pixel. What we mean is we are going to create a new empty image. Using this empty image, we can add pixel to it. So take one pixel from the original image, manipulate that, put that new pixel in the new empty image in the same location. So the only thing I change, excuse me, the only thing I change is I add a new empty image. This is the new image. So when I draw it, I draw with the new image, which is the new empty image, and with the new image window. The code that manipulate each pixel did not change. The end result is the same. I create an empty image with the width and height from the original. Update one pixel at a time. The 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 um, the outcome did not change, but I did not change the original file image. So let's look at a sample. Write a program to remove all the green from the image. So this is the image. This is the program that you see in the lecture. So I want to remove all the green. Let me just say removed all green. Remove green. And for this, let me just start with this. And this is what you're going to do in the lab also, using this as a template. I want the new image without the green. So I can set, for example, my new red is my original red. My new green now is 0. I remove the green color, no color for green. And my new blue is my whatever blue color is. And let's see what happens when I run this. You take a. So this is what happened when I change to remove the green. It looks very reddish. And I click on the image and it closes it. I should change this negative into remove all green. And let me run this again so that I have the proper title for my image. It will take a few seconds. Here's my image. As you can see, the title is remove all green now. You can use this code here as a example how you're going to do lab number 2.